Hello and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name's Krista. So this video is just me showing you what I've been making. So this first item was a bear that was an order, and it's a memory bear. This is some little plastic canvas I don't even remember what they're called, but basically you squeeze their cheeks and there's a hole and you can put candy in there. And then I made a couple scarves this year. I thought they turned out well. There are our cute little gnomes. They are adorable. Then I decided to make a diamond art painting, and I found these little gnomes. I thought they were so cute, and I had a lot of fun making this. This is only the second diamond art painting I've ever made, and I quite enjoyed it. Have you made diamond art before? For Christmas, I made up these little book sleeves for my grandchildren, and then I decided to crochet myself a vest. I thought it was so cute. I had so much fun making this, and it turned out really good. Was there some mistakes? Oh, sure. But you know what? In the end, it turned out really great. For Christmas, I received this kit, and so I made this little bracelet for myself. It was a lot of fun. I've never done this type of beading before, so it was fun. And then, of course, I was working on some aprons, and you got to dig out the seam ripper. I made this bag a while ago, but then I did a video on how to make the boxy corners. And lastly, these are some fabric labels that I made. I love how they turned out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy crafting.